I'm going to tell you how to make your own website page for Instagram just for a couple of minutes. Usually people think that create your own website is very difficult. You need a designer, programmer, content manager, domain, hosting, and so on. But the truth is, you can do it by yourself and spend just several minutes of your time. To do it, you can use a uplink service where all the functions are collected in one place. Multiple links, smart messenger links, payment and application forms, and others. To do is so simple that 400,000 of people have already done it. And now, I'm going to show you how to make your own uplink page just for 3 minutes. Let's go! Click Add New Block. Let's place some description first. You can choose its size and alignment. Next step is images. You can add as many of them as you need. Also, you can change a form of the block and add description and links to every picture. It might be your catalog, examples of your goods and services, or poster with a good offer. One more thing you can add to a uplink page is application form. Set the required parameters and receive leads on your page or email 24 hours a day. One of the most important tools is a messenger block. It allows your clients easily reach you right on selected messenger. For our page, we choose two of the most known, WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger. Add link on your website or even several links on the most significant pages. And the last step is to set your social network links. We've set Facebook and YouTube. You can also choose the size of the buttons to make it more suitable and compact. Instagram website page is ready. Now we have this good uplink page which helps you not only with navigation improving but also increases your sales. By setting this link in your Instagram bio, you solve the problem of limited symbols and uncomfortable communication in direct messengers. As you see, everything is simple and fast. Go to uplink.ad and create your own uplink page right now for free.